Good morning! Um, for today, we are going to cook sinigang na salmon belly. First, we need some tomatoes, onion, salt, ground pepper, also the sinigang sa sampalok with gabi, the mustasa, eggplant, radish, okra, sitaw, string beans in English, the green chili, also of course the salmon belly. First, we are going to put mix the onion, and the tomato. My mother used to cook this. She told me that it's best to use your bare hands to mix the tomatoes and the onions, but I'm not going to do that here. Add some salt, 2 pinch of salt, and then add the ground pepper. Then let's mix it using the slicer. After you mix the onion, the tomato, salt, and the pepper, we're going to prepare our kalan. Just add water and the salmon belly. Also, add the green chili to the tomato and onion that we mixed a while ago. After this, we'll wait for it. When it is about to boil, we're going to add the sinigang sa sampalok with gabi. Just pour it inside the casserole and mix it. Add the eggplant and the radish. Also the okra and the sitaw. Just wait for this, boil this for about 5 minutes, and then we add the mustasa. We're going to put the mustasa on top, just on top. Turn your stove to the low fire or low setting. Just let the heat of the dish cook the mustasa. That's how you cook sinigang na salmon belly.